Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hi guys. It's actually 8:30 at night, so it's weird to say good morning, but hello. I cleaned my kitchen. Like, I did the full-on scrub the cabinets and the corners underneath the cabinets, the floor. Yeah, I scrubbed it all today. So I didn't do anything. Like, I didn't do any videos. The OG stopped by. It was so funny because I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, it was so nice today. And what I'm thinking is, this is the exact kind of weather that the OG would be out in his car driving around and just stop in. 20 minutes later, he just stopped in. It's weird. So I have a project that I'm finishing up today. So remember, if you're following me on Instagram, maybe you don't remember. I did a 3-cube box that when I started it with the 100 Project 100 Days had like this weird 1980s or 90s painting on it. I sanded it all off and I did it in a high gloss and I hated it. So now I repainted it in matte and now I am going to stencil 1, 2, 3 across the drawers. I don't know why. People like numbers. I don't know. So we're going to do that. We're going to stencil that. And then I'm going to, I have no idea. I think this is going to be a very short video because it's the end of the day. And tomorrow I pick up my check from Pick a Fence Gals. And then I got to run to the bank because on Tuesday I'm driving to Faribault, which is like the other side of the state. I met a lady at Junk Bonanza and her mother-in-law passed away. So she had all this glassware that she didn't sell on the estate sale. Some of it was good, some of it was not, which I'll have to tell her. I'm like, one piece I know for sure was the Pioneer Woman's butter dish. I'm like, that's not, because she told me she used Depression era glass. I'm like, that's not Depression era glass. But then she sent me a picture of all of the toothpick holders she's collected. Oh my God. And she said her sister-in-law has 500 more. And I was like, she collected toothpick holders. And some of the pieces, yeah, I definitely would like to get if I can. So I'm going to get some cash out tomorrow so that I can head to Faribault and possibly get some good stuff. There were a couple other pieces that she sent me pictures of that I'm like, those I would like. If there's emotional pricing going on or I've Googled it, it's like they're going for it online. Done. I've checked and I knew there was Jan's thrift shop in town because Victoria's had archery tournaments there in the past and I've gone to Jan's. You guys have probably seen it on the channel if you watched for any length of time. I've never been to their Goodwill, but they've got a Goodwill and some church charity thrift store. So I've scoped those out in case I don't get anything because it will depend on, I mean, when I talked to her at Junk Bonanza, she knew that I can't give you what they're asking online. And I was very clear about that. My sister was sitting next to me, so she can comment down below and tell you, I was very clear that I'm not going to get into emotional pricing and I need to make a profit. So, if, you know, I can't have you Googling stuff. But then after I made the arrangements to go down there, she said, great. And then when you come, my mother lives 6 miles down the road and she's got a few pieces she wants you to look at. I'm like, no, I'm not getting anything there. Because I feel like there will definitely be emotional pricing because this is her mother who's alive. And these are things she's collected over time. And I'm never, ever going to be able to give her enough money. You know what I mean? It's like, no. So I said, well, have your mom take out the pieces she wants to sell and get a price in mind. So it will be interesting to see if she's like, I looked it up online because I'm leaving. And they're going for, I don't care what they're going for online. I can't give you what they're going for online. If you call in a vintage buyer, a reseller, do not expect to get the price they're getting for in New York. You know, my shop, first of all, is in Lindstrom. I can't get even the prices they can get in Minneapolis. So it's really frustrating for me to be like, okay, that's great that you looked it up online. However, I can't give you that money. And then they're just I think you're ripping me. I mean, I remember buying the Tupperware from that dealer, and she's like, I really feel like I should get more for it. I said, then you need to open an Etsy store and do the work. I was very kind about it, could you tell? I'm like, if you want those prices, you're going to have to open an Etsy shop and list them then. I think I could get that money. I'm like, good for you. Okay, I think we're done here. And I left. So it was like, no, I can't get into all the drama and the emotions. So I'm so tired. Dog is still sick to her stomach. She's still having issues in the middle of the night. I had to get up at 5:30 and 2:30 and take her outside. Oh well. Hopefully by tomorrow she'll be feeling a little better. But she's outside sticking her nose in the door right now because she wants to see me. Like, where'd you go, Mom? Where'd you go? But I'm going to paint this real quick, and then I think I'm going to be done for the day. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Click the button. If you haven't yet got one of your happy junket shirts, I'm not wearing mine, but I'll put a clip up. It supports me. It supports this channel, and I appreciate everyone who's already gotten their shirts. Thank you so much. And if you want to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, those are coming up real quick. Here's the P.O. box if you want to send me anything else. Also the P.O. box. So thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.